What inspired me to get into the cybersecurity field was actually my knack for curiosity. I've always been told that I am a little bit nosy, which is totally fine. And that eventually led me to wanting to know more. Why does something happen and how can I prevent it? Hello, my name is Jessica Landa Verde. I am currently working as a cybersecurity analyst in the telecommunications industry. Hispanics currently represent less than 4% of the individuals in the cybersecurity industry. So certainly pivoting to my dream role has not only opened doors, but it has also made me feel really good about increasing the representation of Hispanic, especially Mexican women in the cybersecurity industry. The training that CyberWarrior provides has adequately prepared me for facing my new role. CyberWarrior is much more than just a training program. It's a family. What kept me going was me knowing that there is an end. So you can either sink or swim. So I told myself, hey, I have to push myself through this. If I had given up in the middle of the program, then all of that effort that I put in the beginning would have been lost. And to add to that, the opportunity that CyberWarrior and CISA blessed me with would have been gone out the window. I am glad that I persisted in the CyberWarrior program because I met some amazing individuals. I was given the opportunity to showcase my love for cybersecurity.